guys, thank you for joining today. In today's video, I'm painting a beautiful landscape using Himi Gouache. First of all, I'm gathering all the things required to paint at one place so I can concentrate only on painting. My inspiration for painting has always been nature. And I love this time of the year as everything is coming back to life. So I chose this particular landscape to paint. Let's get started. Here I am mixing white with blue to start with the sky as always. I'm painting upper area of the sky darker and keeping the lower area of the sky lighter to reflect the light. Then followed by the clouds. It is difficult to find time as a full-time working and a task around the house. Life can sometimes take over, but in the end, I always find my way back to painting. I am a self-taught artist and did not go to art school. I am mostly figuring things out on my own. I have still a long way to go. Push myself and learn more about painting. When I go through the painting I've done in these years, it is almost like my own diary. Not expressed with words, but with paint. Combining different elements of life can bring together a piece that tells your own story. Painting have always been my joyful place in life. I sometimes paint to add little joy to my life, and it helps me to get through the difficult times. To create art is something beautiful to hold on to. At first, it was difficult for me to get the texture of the brunch. Then I started using dry brushing technique and it came out beautifully. This is how we figure things out, which comes only through practice. I get time only during weekend to paint and edit the videos. At first, it was very difficult. When it became a habit for me, it was easier. I think this is how even painting works. We need to practice a lot and make it a habit, so we don't get panic when suddenly we start painting. I just love it. I love the way the painting came out. This moment which makes me more happy when I finish the painting. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments below what you think about the painting. Until next time, bye.